Welcome to my YouTube channel. As part of the upcoming UGC NET examination, I am here to share some information on the Indian philosophical thought named Darshanas. The word Darshana means the vision or the way of seeing. In the ancient time itself, people used to think in unique way using these darshanas. The subdivisions of darshanas are Astika Darshana and Nastika Darshana. Astika Darshana is based on the Veda, but Nastika Darshana is non-Vedic. The six type of Astika Darshanas are Sankhya Darshana, Yoga Darshana, Nyaya Darshana, Vaisheshika Darshana, Purva Mimamsa, and Uttara Mimamsa. The Sankhya Darshana is constructed based on two basic aspects, Purusha and the Prakriti. Purusha means the self or the pure consciousness. Prakriti means the nature or the matter. Prakriti also involves the three qualities of Triguna, the Sattva, Rajas, Tamas. So, according to Sankhya Darshana, the interaction of Purusha and Prakriti manifests the universe that cause the evolution in the universe. Yoga Darshana explains that we can control our mind and achieve peace through meditation and discipline. The third Astika Darshana is Nyaya Darshana. It focuses on logic, reasoning, and theoretical knowledge. So we are more familiar with the six Pramanas in the Nyaya Darshana. The six Pramanas are Pratyaksha, Anumana, Upamana, Shabda, Arthapadi, and Anubalabdi. The fourth Astika Darshana is Vaisheshika Darshana. It focuses on understanding the reality through physics and metaphysics. The fifth one is Purva Mimamsa. Purva Mimamsa interprets the Vedic mantras for performing the rituals, basically the yajnas. The sixth Astika Darshana is called Uttara Mimamsa. It is also known as Vedanta. So the interpretations of this particular school is based on the Upanishad. So main subdivisions of Vedanta are Advaita Vedanta, Dvaita Vedanta, Dvaita Advaita Vedanta, Shuddha Vedanta, and Bheda Bheda Vedanta. The Nastika Darshanas involves three subdivisions. They are Buddhism, Jainism, and Charvaka.